Hi class, it's me Riley, and today I'm going to be doing my viral planetary video, so let's get on with the video. Okay, the first planet I'm starting out with is the only, Saturn. Okay, first the information for Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet farthest away from the sun. Its ring is made out of many small particles that the sun reflects. Saturn is mostly made up of hydrogen, with some helium. Saturn contains 3 layers of clouds. Most of Saturn is not solid, it is gaseous, which makes it very difficult to part the atmosphere with a planetary mass. Unlike the moon, though, Saturn does not go through a cycle of phases. It always stays outside of Earth's orbit around the sun. Saturn formed together with the rest of the solar system. Saturn is the least dense planet in the whole solar system. That's a lot. Second planet is Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. It has the 3rd largest planetary radius and 4th largest planetary mass in the solar system. It is very cold. The surface temperature is about minus 300 Fahrenheit degrees. There is a strong wind. It is mostly made up of flowing icy materials above a solid core. It goes through 5 phases. It is a gas giant. In 1781, Sir William Herschel announced its discovery, being the first planet discovered with the help of a telescope. It was given. Now for the third planet, Jupiter. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. The clouds on Jupiter are only 50 kilometers thick. How is that only? Whoa. Next planet, I guess. What the heck? Last, but definitely not least, we have Neptune. Ding, 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 ding. Neptune is the 8th farthest known planet from the sun in the solar system. It is the 4th largest known planet by diameter. Neptune has the wildest and strangest weather in the entire solar system. It has huge storms with extremely high winds. Neptune is encircled by 6 rings only in the moon, and by 6 rings only its moons go through phases.
Before you start recording.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my video about the outer planets. Maybe next time I can do something about International Space Station, solar eclipse, satellites, probes, you name it. Just hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Time for the outer planet fun facts. First, starting out with Saturn. Did you know it has 95 times the mass of Earth? Wow. And it has 887 million distance from the sun. And it is a gas giant, which means composed mostly of hydrogen and helium. Wow. And the temperature is minus 215 degrees Fahrenheit. That must be cold. Wow, there are so many cool facts about Saturn. You should look some up. It's a very interesting subject. Some fun facts about the planet Jupiter. Did you know it was named after a Roman king of the gods? Jupiter must have been a very fitting name back then. Jupiter is easily the largest and most massive planet in the solar system. To put this in perspective, it would take 11 Earths lined up next to each other to stretch from one side of Jupiter to the other, and it would take 317 Earths to equal the mass of Jupiter. And that is a lot. Jupiter has 67 confirmed moons orbiting the Earth. The moons are separated in 3 groups: inner moons, Galilean moons, and outer moons. The inner moons orbit the closest to Jupiter. The Galilean moons are the largest of Jupiter's moons. Outer moons are much smaller and farther away from Jupiter. So, those are some fun facts about Jupiter. Now it's time to go to the next planet. Let's look at some fun facts about Uranus. Did you know it takes 84 Earth days to orbit the sun for Uranus? And its axis is at a 98-degree angle. Did you know Uranus's wind speed can reach up to 900 kilometers per hour? This is roughly 560 miles per hour. That's a lot. The mass of Uranus is around 14.5 times the mass of Earth. Uranus is often referred to as the ice giant. Uranus is the second least dense planet in the solar system after Saturn. The Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft that's ever flown by Uranus. Did you know Uranus has 13 presently known rings? Wow, that's a lot. And I bet most people thought that only Saturn had rings in the Milky Way. And now, time to go to the last but not least planet. Here's some fun facts about Neptune. Did you know that Neptune has 5 rings? Wow. And did you know that the radius of Neptune is 15,299 miles? Did you know the distance from the sun is 2.793 billion miles? And that's a lot, considering that Neptune is not one of the biggest planets. And Neptune is one of the solar system's 2 ice giants. Both Neptune and Uranus exist in the outer solar system, and 80% of Neptune's mass consists of dense, hot fluid of ice materials such as water and methane and ammonium. The fluids are around a rocky small core in Neptune. It is considered to be one of the giant planets, and yet it also descends. Scientists have theorized that there might be a super hot water ocean under the cold clouds of Neptune that doesn't boil away due to the high pressure that it locks inside. But you didn't know some of these facts. But I hope you found this very interesting. And the outer planets are one of the most interesting things I think I've ever done a video about. And I hope you enjoyed. And thank you, Miss Kayla, for giving me this assignment. It was very interesting. Thank you for watching.